all of the markets have been shocked here by the coronavirus concerns. And here to put that into perspective is Frayne Olson from NDSU. And Frayne, really, we are trading emotion in these markets, not fundamentals in any markets, right?
Correct. And this is really unprecedented stuff. I mean, we have no reference point in history to give us a reference to say, well, how bad could this get? And so right now, the markets, all the markets, are trading kind of worst case scenario. In my viewpoint, we're going to be trading that mental psychology until it looks like the number of new cases of coronavirus is starting to drop off, in particular in the US. And once that starts happening, then we'll have this reference point as well. This has been the worst. It looks like the worst is over, so now we're going to start to rebuild. And once we start shifting away from the immediate short-term implications and start doing a little bit more planning, a little bit more forward thinking, that's, in my opinion, where we're going to start to see the markets start to rebound. And it's not only, again, the grain markets, but also the energy markets and the equity markets.
Which commodities will recover the fastest, I guess?
Okay, again, in my opinion, it'll be the energy markets and the grain markets will likely rebound quicker. They'll have a better response rate than we have probably in the meats or the animal sector, and in particular in the stock market. I think the stock market's going to take a while to really rebuild and have everybody figure out what are the financial implications for this.
What is your advice for producers at this point?
On the old crop side, obviously with today's prices, nobody's very excited about selling. So if you have the capacity to be able to wait this out, my timeline right now is probably late spring, early summer is when we'll really start to see the rebound and building back to prices where farmers would feel comfortable in making some sales. For new crop, I would not change my crop planting intentions as of today.
It's not really giving us signals to plant anything right now, Frayne.
No, that's right. Unfortunately, that's right. But when we look at the price relationships, when we look at those ratios, is there one crop that seems to be dominant or moving in a little different direction or moving more independently? We don't have any of that going on right now.
Okay. Like I said, uncertain times, unprecedented times. We appreciate your insight.
Thank you.
Thanks so much. Frayne Olson with NDSU.